Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable tire pressure maintenance on your Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Pro. So we're gonna go over and enable the tire pressure maintenance. Basically, it's a reminder to check and try and refill the tire pressure whenever we're ready or whenever it's just low. We can find it by going into Xiaomi Home app and clicking on our scooter. We can click on three dots right up top here, and we got the tire pressure maintenance. This is the third option from the top. We can enable it, and that's basically it. Now you will get a reminder from time to time to easily check the pressure, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.